Hey guys, this is how to create an iPhone application. You have to go to installer and install something called Jiggy and Jiggy Runtime. After you install them, you cannot find Jiggy Runtime, but you'll find Jiggy. Click on it. On mine, it gives me a custom username and password. Just to edit it, you click it, and your default username and password is Jiggy. It gives you an IP to go to. I'm gonna hide it, but that's the IP. So you go to Safari. This is for Mac and it sometimes doesn't work, so you just go to the IP address. And here is all my kinds of apps that I have. You just click on creating a new application. This is just the title identifier. This is not really important. You could choose a file you want, but I'll just pick a Jiggy icon for now. Your title, let's say iTest com.app. Description. This description won't matter due to the fact that on my plist, on my repo list, my old videos, it shows you what to basically do, so it's not important. But you can just write how to cheat on tests version 0.1 beta, author, your name, URL. This is your website if you have one. This is not necessary. And you click on save. Your new application has been created. In order for it to show up, we had to restart the springboard. When it has restarted, please launch Jiggy again and click OK here. So you slide to unlock. You go to your Jiggy, and it's going to tell you on your computer, go to, and just click on OK. And it's going to say Jiggy IDE. If you're going to get like connecting to getting the file list, it's gonna run forever on most Macs, so you could just shut this down. Now you need CyberDuck. Just click on open. To connect to it, you just put your iPod's IP address, and your password is root and alpine, and you have to go to / applications. Here is iTest. Drag it out. Just click it and drag it out. And now it's gonna put it on my desktop. You have to leave this on. Basically, on a Mac, it's gonna say it's not supported, so you go to show package contents. Here is basically all you need to change it. Icon.ping. If you put an image and you rename it to icon.png, it'll change its file image, but we don't need that right now. We go to open. It's going to open up with dash code, so you should install SDK. And this, now you have to know JavaScript or go to jiggyapp.com. I'm not professional in JavaScript, but you can you have to learn it. Like this hello world, that will be our kind of this will be like our kind of like text for today. This is the hello world. This is the doc file that you're gonna download, and unless I made a mistake, Yeah, I made a mistake, sorry. Can access the Jiggy document. Okay, here. This is basically your kind of JavaScript you have to learn, but I'm just gonna try to do the hello world really quickly, so just click it and just give me a second. I can't find it right here. Develop code samples page. No, wait. This is an example of a codec. You need this UI kit right here. That's pretty important. It won't launch without it. We're gonna start the hello world process. Here we go. Just click on command copy. And you have to start over here. Now, if you save it, it's not going to automatically go to your iPhone or iPod Touch. So what you need to do is back to SSH it, but now it's just edit it. See the hello world right here. You can type in whatever you want. For example, write it on your hands. Now, I have to save. Now, this is your main.js. You open up CyberDuck. You go back to SSHing it. It's gonna connect. If not, you're gonna have to pull back the username, password, root, and Alpine. Sometimes it doesn't work, so you're gonna have to shut it down, turn it back on, and connect to it. So to open connection, SSH, your IP address, username, root, password, Alpine, connect. Opening. Okay, here. You go click on the slash applications. No wait, basically this is easier. Just take iTest and drag it to the applications folder. It's gonna ask you to overwrite. Use overwrite and continue. Transfer complete. Now, iTest right here. Just click it. It's gonna reboot itself. And here we go. Write it, and it's gonna have dots because of it has no more room, but this is a short tutorial, so and you can go to applications and you could always edit it, and you cannot delete it through installer, so you're gonna have to you have to find it right here, press delete it. Now you're gonna get the crashing symbol, and it reboots everything, and it's gone. And thanks for watching.